So this is how you can update a promotion on LinkedIn. I'm going to be very direct, so don't skip off the video or don't exit out because I'm going to teach you exactly right now. So, number one, go to the experience section. Navigate to your profile by clicking on the view profile icon right here. Click on that, and now you can scroll down to the experience section and click on the plus button. This is what you should be looking for, the experience button, and now there should be a plus button right there where you can tap on add position. You can scroll down and then enter your new position and other details. Enter the new job title that you are promoted to. Remember to type in your new position with pride and happiness. So you can also add other details including your current company's name, employment type, and location and start date. So this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, the title is right there and the type of employment like full-time, part-time, or whatever, the company name, location type, and if you're currently working on that role, and also your start date. So now, once you tap on save, that blue save button, your promotion will be automatically updated to your LinkedIn account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I told you it's very direct and it's very easy. All you needed were three steps. So go to your experience section by tapping on view profile, scrolling down and tapping on add position in the plus button, and then just basically typing in your new position or your new promotion and tap on save, and it is now saved. So that's pretty much it. That is how you can update a promotion in LinkedIn. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.